Good morning, students. Let's continue our chapter 10, measurement and motion. So, our next topic is measurement. So, when you buy shoes for yourself, how do you know which size shoe to buy? ओके तो द शॉपकीपर मेजर्स योर फुट। जब आप अपने शूज़ लेने के लिए जाते हो तो शॉपकीपर कैसे करके पता करता है कि आपके पैर में कौन सा साइज़ फिट आएगा। ओके तो इसके लिए जो शॉपकीपर है सबसे पहले वो क्या करता है, द शॉपकीपर मेज़र योर फुट। सबसे पहले वो क्या करता है, हमारे फुट का साइज़ लेता है। तो सिमिलरली अ कारपेंटर मेजर द हाइट एंड विड्थ ऑफ अ कबर्ड बिफोर मेकिंग इट्स डोर। इसी तरीके से जो कारपेंटर होता है जब वो कबर्ड का डोर बनाता है तो डोर बनाने से पहले वो क्या करता है, उस कबर्ड की हाइट और विड्थ को मेज़र करता है। सो साइज ऑफ शू, height, width, etc. all deals with measurement of distance between 2 points. Okay. The physical quantity associated with measurement of distance between 2 points is called length. So what is length? Length means the physical quantity associated with measurement of distance between 2 points. ठीक है, the distance between 2 points is called the length. So measurement is the comparison of an unknown quantity with a known fixed quantity called a unit, and it determines the number of times a physical quantity is related to its unit. Now history of measurement. Our forefathers used different parts of their bodies to measure length. जो हमारे forefathers थे वो क्या करते थे कि किसी चीज़ को measure करने के लिए बॉडी के different parts को यूज़ करते थे। The distance like the distance of step, ठीक है, the width of a finger, the length of finger angle, etc. were some of the widely used unit of length. Some other body parts used for measuring length and the name of their corresponding units are. First is distance. First is given distance between the tip of the thumb. जैसे इसमें है the distance between the tip of the thumb to the tip of the little finger of a stretched open hand. So this is called the hand span. ठीक है, hand से कर रहे हैं, so this is called the hand span. Then length of foot, this is called a foot. Okay, then distance between the end of the outstretched arm, ठीक है, outstretched arm मतलब इस तरीके से straight, and chin, this is called a yard. Okay, arm's length, देखो arm's length is called a cubit. Arm's length means from elbow to finger tip. Then length of a step, जैसे कितने steps है, 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, this is called a pace. Okay, so student, these methods of measuring length were not satisfactory. Why? Because the length of the arm, foot and hand span varied from one person to another. They do not give the accurate measurement. Okay, because why? Because they may vary from one person to another. Okay, they do not give the accurate measurement. See the activity 3, measure the teacher's table. This is the table, ठीक है, ये एक टेबल है. Measure the teacher's table in the classroom with the help of your left hand span. Now ask of your classmate, one taller and one shorter than you, so to measure the length of the same table with their hand span. But all the 3 results might differ. ठीक है, लेकिन सबके रिजल्ट्स क्या होंगे, डिफर होंगे, बिकॉज द लेंथ ऑफ योर हैंड स्पैन माइट बी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम दैट ऑफ योर क्लासमेट. नाउ द स्टूडेंट स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट, देखो दे आर द फंडामेंटल यूनिट्स. जैसे लेंथ, द यूनिट इज मीटर. ओके, द सिंबल इज एम. मास unit is kilogram, the symbol is kg. Okay, time, the standard unit of time is second. Okay, symbol s. Temperature, Kelvin, capital K. Okay, so they are the standard unit of fundamental units. So students, standard unit means for uniformity and convenience, a common unit is necessary for the measurement of a physical quantity. For accurate measurement, we need some standard representation of every physical quantity. Okay, so such a chosen standard, underline, such a chosen standard is called a standard unit. तो हम उसके लिए जो यूनिट को चूज करते हैं, दिस इज कॉल्ड द स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट. A standard unit is a standard measure that has some definite and convenient quantity, so that it remains the same under all conditions. In the old days, the length of a body part of the king was taken as the standard to maintain uniformity. Still, it was not enough. Till the 19th century, various countries devised and they used their own system of unit. So there were many such units for the same physical quantity. So this was quite confusing as it has no uniformity. Okay, it has no uniformity all over the world. In 1960, it was recommended that a common system called the International System of Unit, okay, SI unit system, underline, International System of Unit or SI unit system should be used all over the world. Under this system, units are divided into two types: fundamental units. Okay, see here, under this system, the units are divided into two parts: fundamental units and derived units. Fundamental units, there are 7 basic units for physical quantities. So a few of them: length, mass, time, temperature. Length unit is meter, symbol M; mass kilogram, kg; time second, S; temperature Kelvin, K. Okay, now second unit is derived unit. Derived unit means the unit which are derived from these fundamental units are called derived unit. For example, area and volume are derived from length. ठीक है, जैसे एरिया ऑफ अ स्क्वायर क्या है? साइड इंटू साइड. तो जो derived यूनिट होती है वो फंडामेंटल यूनिट से बनती है. ठीक है, जैसे साइड इंटू साइड. साइड इंटू साइड का मतलब क्या था? एरिया ऑफ अ स्क्वायर इक्वल टू साइड इंटू साइड. इन अ स्क्वायर ऑल साइड्स आर इक्वल. ओके, सपोज स्टूडेंट, साइड इज गिवन 4 centimeter. तो व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ द स्क्वायर? 4 into 4 centimeter into 4 centimeter, it is 4 the 16 centimeter square. तो centimeter square is the derived unit. Okay, so the units which are derived from the fundamental units are called derived unit. जैसे volume of a cube equal to length into breadth into height. Okay, the standard unit of volume is cubic meter. ठीक है, और area of a square या area of a rectangle, the standard unit is square unit. Okay, so they are called derived unit and they derive from the fundamental unit. Okay students, so this much for today's class. Thank you.